today. Are you good? Yes or no? Yes, I think I heard mostly yeses, and that is awesome. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice letter V. And V says V, 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 V. You actually put the top of your teeth on the bottom lip, and then you kind of breathe, and it makes some silly noises. And if you put your fingers on your throat, you'll kind of feel it. It's called voice motor on. It's pretty neat. Okay, so we are going to practice letter V. We are going to practice making it. We're going to practice writing it. And then we will check out some animals that begin with the V sounds. Okay, so you will need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. All you need, handy dandy sheet. You need 4 uppercase V's, 4 lowercase V's, and a green start dot all at the end so we can make it all on our own. And of course you need something to write with. Pen, pencil, marker, whatever you have will work. So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We have 2 jobs today. We are going to practice making and writing the upper and lowercase V's. Then we will check out some animals that begin with the V sounds. And when we get to the star, you know we'll be all done. So let's go. Okay, friends, let's get started. We are going to start with the uppercase V. It is the tall one. It only has 2 lines. That's it. Okay, when we make the V, let's look at it first. We start at the top and we make a slanty line down and a slanty line back up. That's it. Easy peasy. Let's watch it one more time. At the top, slanty line down, slanty line up. Okay, now let's do it. And guess what? You get the fun part. You get to finger write. You can do it on the table, on your hand, on your arm, on your head, wherever you want. It's finger writing. It will work. Okay, so let me move this one. Bloop. Here we go. So I'm going to start at my top corner, or in the top. Here we go. Slanty down, slanty up. Ooh, nice job. Now look, my pieces kind of moved over, but when you are writing, your bottom point should not be like this. Here, I'll even make it bigger. It should not look like this, because that does not look like a V. It looks kind of wonky. So we want to make sure when we get down to that point that it's pretty even and that you can see that it's a point, kind of like a mountain. If I turn it this way, bloop, make sure it makes a mountain. Okay, so I'm going to turn it back around. All right, we're going to do it again. So change your finger writing spot. Here we go. Starting at the top, slanty down, slanty up. Nice. One more time, just for that point part, because it's a little tricky. Here we go. At the top, change your finger writing spot. Slanty down, slanty up. Yes! Okay, now let's check out the lowercase V. Okay, here we go, lowercase V. And guess what? Lowercase v is exactly like uppercase V. It's just smaller. Look at that. It's like a little mini V, little mini me. Okay, here we go. It's the same thing. We're going to start at the top, but kind of that halfway mark. And then we're going to slanty down, slanty up. That's it. One more time. Slanty down, slanty up. That's it. Okay, and look, I have my little lines because this is not a tall letter. It is a small letter. Okay, and remember, you get to finger write. Here we go. At the top of our middle line, slanty down, slanty up. Ooh, nice job. All right, let's do that again because sometimes it's even harder when it is a smaller letter. Okay, here we go. At the top, change your finger writing spot. Slanty down, slanty up. Ooh, nice job. Now, watch this. I want to show you something. If I am making my lowercase v or my uppercase V and I go slanty down, but I pick up my pencil and then slanty up and I don't make this point, oh my goodness, this does not look like a V at all. It just looks like 2 lines that fell on the table. So make sure when you are writing your lowercase or uppercase V that you meet at that point and make that mountain. Has to make that mountain like we talked about with uppercase. So let's try that one more time. Change your finger writing spot. Here we go. Slanty down, slanty up. My pieces are moving all over the place. Okay, friends, now it's time to write upper and lowercase V's. grab your paper and whatever you are writing with, and let's get to it. Okay, make sure you have your paper and whatever you are writing with. I'm going to use a marker, so hopefully that we can see it better. And if you do not have a paper, that is totally fine. You can absolutely still practice with finger writing. Okay, friends, we're going to start with our uppercase letters. Put your pencil on that green dot, and we're going to go slanty down, slanty up. Oh, awesome. Make sure you have your points. You have that mountain. Got to make sure we have the mountain. Okay, here we go. Next one, let's do it. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Excellent. Okay, here we go. Next one. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Yes! Oh my goodness, we're doing amazing. Okay, here we go. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Woohoo! Okay, we have our green dot all by ourselves. Let's do it. Here we go. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Fabulous! Uppercase V's, and let's turn them upside down. Oh, yep. We have 5 mountains. We're doing an awesome job. Okay, now, same exact thing, lowercase style. Here we go. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Oh, fabulous. Okay, next one. Here we go. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Yes! We're doing amazing. Okay, here we go. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Woohoo! Okay, here, last one with the tracer. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Yes! Okay, we have our green dot. We can do it all on our own. Let's go. On green dot, slanty down, slanty up. Woohoo! Okay, let's double check. Oh, yep, we have altogether 10 mountains. We did it. We have all of our points, so we made our mountains for our V's. Amazing. Okay, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Woo! That was awesome. We were practicing making the upper and lowercase V's, just that slanty down, slanty up. Oh, and we made sure that we had those points. And when we turned it upside down, dun, 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 we had our mountains. And it was awesome. Okay, let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Oh, now let's go check out some animals, or maybe not animals, that begin with the V sounds. Let's go. Okay, looks like our first animal is a vole. Vole. This cute little critter, it eats insects, fruits, seeds, and little plants. And it was mentioned on a TV show that it was a space station pest. So that's kind of a neat fact. Okay, let's see what the next animal is. Oh my goodness, the next one is a viper fish. Viper fish. Okay, this fish is also known as a lantern fish, and it has big, needle-like teeth that don't even fit in its mouth. Are you kidding me? So cool. Okay, let's see what's next. Ah, it's a vampire bat. Vampire bat. Ooh, looks like they feed off of cows, pigs, top here. Not sure if I'm saying that correctly. Their babies are called pups, and coolest fact, they have a heat sensor on the end of their noses. That is so neat. All right, let's see what the last one is. Oh, okay, the last one is actually not an animal. It is a plant that eats animals. What? It's a Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap. That is cool. It eats insects and arachnids, which are like little spiders. That is so crazy. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Yes! Oh my goodness, that was so cool. We got to check out some cool animals, a plant that eats animals. Who would have guessed it? That's wild. And I think my favorite, the creepiest one I think was the viper fish. That was creepy with his big scary teeth. But I think my favorite was the vampire bat, just because I thought that was pretty cool and it reminds me of Halloween. What was your favorite? Whoa, I heard so many of the viper fish. And a lot of Venus flytraps. You all liked the one with the plant that eats the animals. So it was so cool to learn about that. Okay, let's check that off. Ready, check. Okay, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.